So in this first episode of the Vital series, I wanted to talk about this very special feature of the oscillators, the transposition snap, that will lock the pitch modulation to certain tones that we choose, and it allows your presets to have a scale, quantization in terms of tone, and so it gives them a lot more personality and basically really cool ARP sounds. So I leave you guys with the video. This is a little piece from my webinar on the subject, Vital. You can get it on the Future Media Academy site. So these 12 guys here represent the whole octave, right? So we have the root and the second minor, third minor, 4/5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will allow this to play a minor type of scale. When we do this now, it will sound very different. Instead of letting it play the whole pitch freely, it will only allow it to play a certain octave. If we make a slower LFO mode, the thing becomes more clear, no? This is the factory presets for the LFO shapes, which sometimes can give us unexpected pitch modulations, no? Because we are not. This is normally maybe for these gates are normally for volume modulation or some other things instead of pitch modulation. But this can give you weird results. This go into an audible range here by the end, so we can start maybe in the bottom octaves. I like that more, a little bit more than the other, no? Let's try some effects from the effect tab, and also some unison modes, maybe, or some of the minor modes that are really nice. I don't know, you have to try yourselves, because I always try to do the arpeggios, the weirdest textures possible, no? With effects or unisons or frequency shifters, or grain effects, whatever it takes.
why you have to do that every time.
So for this second version of the sound, we're gonna try some random modulation on the speed of the LFO, so we get some movement on the melody, and because of the random, some variations that are unexpected and unpredictable.
So let's randomize this speed of this session with sample.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out my online classes in the Future Media Academy website and to follow me on Twitch. I stream almost every day. You'll find the links in the video description.